Hello friends, this is Shivo from Shivo Studio. Today I am going to show you how you can make a beautiful and colorful Northern Lights painting in watercolor. So let's paint now. Now I am making the sky area wet as it will help to blend the different colors easily. As you can see, a thin layer of water on the paper. Now I take cobalt blue hue and give vertical strokes with some space in between the strokes. I'm leaving white space in between the strokes because I will use different colors in those spaces. Now I am using a different color in the white space. This is lemon yellow and I will apply this also in vertical strokes as the blue. As you can see, some of the yellow is mixing with the blue. And we all know what color is created when we mix yellow and blue. It's green. Don't worry if some parts are green. Let's add the third color. Here I am using vermilion hue. I am adding the color in the same way as I did with blue and yellow. As you all know, we should paint in layers in watercolor. So here I am applying a second layer of Prussian blue. I want the corners and the sides darker, so applying more color with less water. I am now lifting some of the colors to make some areas lighter. Also, I am lifting the colors not only using a single brush, but I am using brushes of different width. This will give me different size strokes. Thank God, finally the paint has dried. Now I can start making the trees. To make the trees, I am first drawing a straight line which will act as tree trunk as well as a reference for me. To make the leaves, I mix blue with some black and create swatches or dots randomly. Only thing that I keep in mind is that I must increase the width gradually as I go towards the ground, as I want to make a tree similar to pine trees, which increases in width as we go from top to bottom. I make the trees in different sizes to give a sense of perspective. To paint the ground snow, I am just applying the Prussian blue to some parts of the paper where I want some shadows. For the roof of the hut, also I use the same blue mixed with little bit more water to make it a lighter shade. For the walls of the hut, I am using burnt sienna. The side with the door is darker than the other because of light direction and it gives a perspective of corner. Now the paint has dried and I am adding some highlights and outlines with darker shade of burnt sienna. There is another winter landscape painting which I did long time ago. I will put the link in description below and in the I section above. I am using lemon yellow and a bit of yellow ochre for the door as I want some warmth in this cold and beautiful winter night. Again, for the highlights, I am using the black just on the edges to give a highlight. I create this final tree also in the exact same way as the others. This I create in front of the hut. Some more highlights on the ground and snow, and voila, we are done. Hope you like this painting. Please share your thoughts in the comment section on how I can improve my painting or what you want me to paint next. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such paintings. See you in the next video. Bye.